Hi friend, I'm Saurabh. In this video, I'm going to show how to connect AWS Linux server without key and how to change SSH default port. SSH key is kind of server password, login password, right? So let's start. Here, I have already connect my Linux server, right? And just enter the root. Now, I'm change SSH config file, and here you can see here default port because so I'm going to change triple 3, right? and and you can see that password authentication, so I'm I'm just change it yes. Okay, double forward slash before agree. Now I have modified the SSH config file, so it's need to restart SSH service. It's done. Now and exit from here. Yes, this is my server AWS, so I'm just copy my server IP from here, and I'm just again I'm open the putty, so put my server password, server IP, and here I am just put my server changing port number and open. So it's not connected because it need to change SSH security group, so I am going to security group, so edit, so again I'm add to rules custom TCP. It need to type of port that for access anywhere, and then set, right? Again open the putty, so port by default now open. It is connect now. Ubuntu password, yes, right? Yes, it is connected for successfully, and change the port also, you can see, right? Thank you watching this video.